Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 best NBA coaches of all time. Number 10, Don Nelson. Nelson turned several losing franchises into basketball powerhouses, including the Milwaukee Bucks. He is responsible for one of the biggest upsets in the sport's history when he led 8th-seeded Golden State Warriors to pull the shocker against first-seed Dallas Mavericks, a franchise he once coached. Number 9, Red Holzman. Holzman is one of the few individuals in the basketball world to have won the NBA title both as a player and a coach. He spent a large chunk of his coaching career with the New York Knicks. Holzman guided the franchise to 2 NBA titles, resulting in his being named NBA Coach of the Year in 1970. Number 8, John Kundla. Kundla was the first head coach of the Minneapolis Lakers, where he made a major impact and achieved his coaching career's peak. He guided the Lakers to 4 NBA titles in a 12-season stint with the franchise. In 1959, when the Lakers relocated to Los Angeles, he took on coaching Minnesota until his retirement in 1968. Number 7, Larry Brown. He has several records to his credit, including being the only coach to lead 8 different teams to the playoffs and coaching 2 different franchises in a season. Brown is also the only head coach to win an NBA title and NCAA men's basketball title. Number 6, Lenny Wilkens. 3 times he was inducted as a player, as a coach, and as an assistant coach for the JS 1992 Olympic team. He has won NBA title to his credit, which he won as head coach of the Seattle Supersonics. Wilkens was named NBA Coach of the Year in 1979 and has an Olympic gold medal to his portfolio when he won with the 1996 US Olympic team as head coach. Number 5, Chuck Daly. He also achieved considerably in the NBA and shot the Detroit Pistons to the stars when he arrived at the franchise, leading them to the playoffs in his entire time with them. Daly also aided the franchise to 2 consecutive NBA titles. He was named head coach of the 1990 NBA All-Star Game. Number 4, Pat Riley. In the span of his coaching career, Riley led 5 NBA title teams, including the Lakers, who helped with the title 2 consecutive times, the NBA's first consecutive title win the 19 years at the time. Riley was named NBA Coach of the Year on 3 occasions and All-Star Coach 9 times. Number 3, Greg Popovich. The longest tenure-serving head coach in the NBA, Popovich has imputed outstanding performance that helped San Antonio Spurs trophies. And most significantly, he guided the franchise to 5 NBA titles win, becoming one of 5 coaches to have won the title at least a record 5 times. Number 2, Red Auerbach. He He won more NBA titles with the Celtics after retirement as an executive to the franchise. Altogether, Aubach won a whopping 16 titles of the franchise's total record 17 titles win, making him among the most successful coaches in the league's history. Aubach won the NBA Coach of the Year once and was inducted into the Basketball Hall of Fame. Number 1. Phil Jackson. Jackson arguably is the most successful and greatest coach in NBA history. With a total of 13 NBA rings, he surpasses Red Auerbach's record of 9 wins, as he won a record 11 NBA titles in his career as a coach and 2 as a player. He was named NBA Coach of the Year in 1996 and named Head Coach of the NBA All-Star Team on 4 occasions. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.